Hi, I'm Anna with Heartwood Art. Today, I'll show you how to set the dimensions to show feet, inches, fractions, or decimals for your SketchUp project. Okay, let's dive in. There are two ways to access your dimension settings in the free version of SketchUp. Way 1. When you first open SketchUp or you're at the home page, in the top left is the Create New button. To the right is a drop-down arrow. When you click that, you'll see a pop-up with all of your dimension setting choices. The other way to access it is click the Create New, or just open one of your projects. In the top left, click the hamburger menu. Toward the bottom, click App Settings. In the General tab, near the bottom is Regional. In Default Template, there's a drop-down with all of your settings. Okay, let's have a look at how each of these settings will appear in your Measurements Dimensions field in the bottom right. So I want to bring up the rectangle tool and draw it out a little bit. Now I want to enter my dimensions. We're going to make this 6 foot and 1/4 inches by 4 foot and 3 1/8 inches and hit enter. Now we're in the architectural feet and inches, so this is how you have to enter it. And the dimensions are in XY, so that'll be the red axis and then the green axis. And this is how you would write it. That same dimension, if you use fractional inches, is going to be 72 1 1/4 inches, comma, and then 51 1/8 inches. If you use decimal inches, it will be 72.25 inches by 51.125 inches. And then if you use decimal feet, the dimensions would be 6.0208 feet by 4.2604 feet. Now the rest of the dimensions are in millimeters, centimeters, and meters. So here's another example of equivalencies for that. For millimeters, it'd be 2,350 by 1,250. Then for centimeters, that same size would be 235 centimeters by 125 centimeters. And in meters, it would be 2.35 meters by 1.25 meters. Now, if you want to change your project settings after you've started it, unfortunately, you'll have to refresh the browser after you make that settings change, and it still may not stick. It may require you to reload the project too. However, you may encounter issues with getting your new settings to display properly in the dimensions field. And because of browser caching, you may need to close the project, close the browser, purge your browser history, and reopen everything anew. Okay, that's it. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more helpful SketchUp tips and full model builds.